This product was gifted to me for review, and here's my honest take. So, after I wash with the matching shampoo, I go in with this conditioner, and it's really been a nice follow up step, especially if you want moisture without your hair feeling weighed down. The texture is smooth and silky, and it spreads easily through my ends. It has ingredients like aloe vera and turmeric. It also helps my hair look a little more polished, like it's less frizzy, and the cuticle feels smoother. What I really appreciate is the clean formula, no sulfates, silicones, no parabens. So it's a good option if your scalp tends to be picky or you're just trying to keep your routine a little more simple. And even though it's moisturizing, it doesn't leave that coated heavy feeling. My hair still has movement and bounce, which I love. It's also vegan and cruelty free, and it's made to work for different hair types. Overall, if you want a conditioner that leaves your hair feeling soft, balanced, and easy to comb through, this one fits really nicely into a daily routine.